Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to repost someone's story on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Suppose I'm seeing the story of this one. They have tagged me in their story and I want to just repost their story. So what I will do is just to head over to the DM, and as they have mentioned me in the story or tagged me in the story, I can just tap on add to your story and then just tap on your story. And as you can see, this is posted on my story, that the story they have given on their account, and this is how you can repost someone's story on Instagram. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.